Do you ever feel like your money is just disappearing? Like you're working hard, earning a decent income, but by the end of the month, you're scratching your head wondering where it all went? If so, you're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, managing your finances can feel like an uphill battle. We're bombarded with subscriptions, impulse buys are just a click away, and sometimes, it feels easier to just avoid looking at our bank accounts altogether. But what if there was a way to not only track where your money is going but to actually understand it, to take control, and to make your money work harder for you? For years, I felt that exact same way. I'd set budgets, promise myself I'd track every penny, and then life would happen. A forgotten subscription, an unexpected repair, a spontaneous dinner out, suddenly, my carefully crafted financial plans would be in shambles. It was frustrating and, frankly, a little bit disheartening. I knew I needed to get a grip on my finances, but all the traditional methods seemed cumbersome and time-consuming. Spreadsheets felt overwhelming, and manually tracking transactions was a chore I rarely stuck with. That's when I discovered Rocket Money. Now, I know what you might be thinking, another budgeting app, another gimmick. But Rocket Money is different. It's not just about tracking expenses, it's about providing clarity, identifying opportunities for savings, and ultimately, empowering you to make smarter financial decisions. And what I'm going to share with you today is not just a review of the app, but a deep dive into my weekly money review process using Rocket Money. This isn't just about showing you features, it's about showing you how to integrate this powerful tool into your routine to transform your financial life. Why a weekly review, you ask? Because consistency is key. Waiting until the end of the month can feel like trying to piece together a puzzle with half the pieces missing. Things get forgotten, details get fuzzy, and by then, it's often too late to course correct effectively. A weekly review, however, allows you to stay on top of things. It's like a quick check-in with your financial health, catching potential issues before they spiral, celebrating small wins, and adjusting your sails to stay on course. It takes less time than you think, and the peace of mind it brings is invaluable. So, let's jump into my weekly money review using Rocket Money. Grab a cup of coffee, maybe open up your own Rocket Money app if you have it, and let's get started. My weekly money review typically happens on a Sunday morning. It's a quiet time, a moment to reflect on the past week and plan for the week ahead, not just financially, but holistically. I open the Rocket Money app, and the first thing I do is head straight to the overview dashboard. This is where Rocket Money shines as a comprehensive financial hub. The overview gives me a snapshot of my net worth, my checking and savings account balances, and my credit card balances. It's a quick gut check. Are my balances where I expect them to be? Have there been any unexpected large transactions that stand out immediately? This initial glance is crucial because it sets the stage for the deeper dive. If I see a significant dip in my checking account that I wasn't expecting, or a sudden jump in my credit card balance, it immediately flags a need for further investigation. Next, I move to the transactions section. This is the heart of the weekly review. Rocket Money automatically categorizes most of my transactions, which is a huge time saver. However, no automation is perfect, and this is where my human touch comes in. I scroll through every single transaction from the past week. I'm looking for a few key things here. First, accuracy. Are all the transactions legitimate? Have there been any double charges or transactions I don't recognize? This is my frontline defense against fraud and errors. Rocket Money's clear display makes it easy to spot anything out of place. If I find something suspicious, I immediately flag it and make a note to investigate further with my bank. Second, categorization. While Rocket Money is good, sometimes it gets it wrong. A restaurant meal might be categorized as groceries, or an online purchase might be lumped into a generic shopping category when it should be more specific, like clothing or home decor. This is where I take a moment to manually recategorize. Why is this important? Because accurate categorization is the foundation of understanding your spending habits. If you don't know exactly where your money is going, you can't make informed decisions about where to cut back or where you have room to spend more. Rocket Money makes this incredibly easy with a simple tap and recategorize option. Third, identifying trends and outliers. As I scroll through, I'm consciously looking for patterns. Did I spend an unusual amount on dining out this week? Were there more impulse purchases than usual? Did a particular subscription renew that I had forgotten about? This is where the behavioral aspect of money management comes into play. Recognizing these patterns helps me understand my spending triggers and identify areas where I might need to adjust my habits for the upcoming week. For example, if I notice I spent a lot on takeout, I might plan to cook more meals at home in the coming days. After meticulously reviewing my transactions, I move on to the subscriptions feature. This is one of Rocket Money's killer features, and it's an absolute game changer. Rocket Money automatically identifies recurring subscriptions that are linked to my bank accounts and credit cards. I go through this list weekly to ensure I'm not paying for anything I don't use or need. It's astonishing how many subscriptions we accumulate without even realizing it. Streaming services we rarely watch, apps we downloaded for a free trial and forgot to cancel, gym memberships we stopped using months ago. Rocket Money lays them all out clearly, showing me the cost and the next billing date. This weekly check allows me to easily cancel unwanted subscriptions directly through the app, saving me precious time and money. I've saved hundreds of dollars simply by being diligent with this one feature. It's like having a financial watchdog constantly scanning for forgotten recurring charges. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.